What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, one of my students is going to show you step by step how he was able to make up to $500 on the internet for completely free. So you can see right here, here are some of his results, and he's going to show you guys in this step by step method you can go and use and start making some sales on Clickbank using Instagram free traffic for completely free. So all you're going to do is you're going to watch this video step by step to the end, and you're going to take action on this method. It's going to show you you're going to start getting some results as well.
So I have generated about $553.95 using only Instagram.
Also, I'm going to leave a link back to his channel in the description below so you can go and watch some tutorials. So he's going to be uploading different tutorials that he's going to show you the step-by-step method that he's using to make money on Clickbank, so you can go and make some extra money as well. So the link to his channel is going to be in the description. You can go and check some of the videos on his channel as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video step by step to the end, and if you take action, you can start getting some sales like this, because these sales are all from completely free traffic, guys. So he took one of my courses, and if you are in my course, we're going to do that. If you are in my course and go to the members area, you're going to see this free traffic training right here. So we click this free traffic training right here. I show you step by step how you can go and get traffic from Instagram very fast for completely free and start making some extra money using completely free traffic from Instagram. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video. So he's going to show you this step by step method you can follow right today and start making some sales, as he is getting sales as well. So that's it. So let's get into the video. Let him show you guys this step by step method. You can go and take action of it right today. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
So guys, this is a testimonial video for my box Rex, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I used his training and how I earned so much money using his system. So his training is of two types, and the first training is about YouTube ads, how to use a paid advertising using YouTube ads, and how to leverage it, because it's not that much competitive. So you will use his system for that, and he is generating a lot of money using the system. And the other training is a free training that will walk you through how to grow your Instagram account to get many sales on Clickbank. So today I'm going to show you how much money I have earned from following his system, his free traffic system, and how much money I have earned from Instagram. So check this out. So this is my Clickbank account, as you can see, and let me refresh it. Let's wait for it. Okay, so from 01/24 to 01/27, this is between 3 days, and the tracking ID is IG, that means Instagram. For these 3 days I have generated, let's see how much money I have generated. Let's say go. Alright, so let's see. So I have generated about $553.95 using only Instagram, but I have used his YouTubers training and I have earned a lot more money. But with his free traffic also, I have generated about $553. So I highly recommend his course. You should buy it to see results like this, but you have to take action. So I want to thank you, Rex, for this amazing course. Thank you very much, bro. And I have released a video on my YouTube channel that I walk you through how to grow your Instagram account and how to get a lot of sales from Clickbank like this. So check that out. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can grow your Instagram account from 0 to 1000 followers super fast, so stay tuned. So before we get started, I want to show you how much money I have earned using Instagram free traffic by growing Instagram accounts using affiliate marketing. Let me show you this. This site is called Clickbank. For those of you that didn't know what Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace in which you will grab certain links and you will promote those links, and when a person clicks that link and when they buy the product, you'll get a certain amount of commission. That's what I'm doing right now. And before we get started, let me show you how much money I have earned. So this is my Clickbank account. Let me refresh it to make it where. Okay, so it is refreshed. So let me show you the money that I have generated from Instagram pages from 0124 to 0127. That means within 3 days. And this TID means tracking ID. That means IG means Instagram. So when you grab your link, you can put your tracking ID. So when you get a sale, you will know that the sale comes from Instagram or Facebook or something like that. So my tracking ID that I use for these days is my IG. So I used my Instagram account, my Instagram free traffic. So let me show you how much money I have generated. So let's say go. All right, so boom. So I have generated $553.95 within 3 days using the exact method that I'm going to show you. So Instagram is super powerful. So let's get into the video. So I have generated over $550 in just 3 days. So it's insane. From free traffic, getting this type of result is really amazing. So what you are going to do is, let's go to Clickbank. So Clickbank has a bunch of products. These products are digital products, they are not physical products. So you will try to promote based on your Instagram account. So if you are starting out, for example, let's see this niche, health and fitness, because it's a broad niche and you can grow an Instagram account based on this niche. So the number one Clickbank product right now is Lab Detox, which has about 540 gravity. That means within 28 days 540 affiliates have made money with this program. So when you click promote here, you see, so it asks you to put your account nickname and tracking ID. So you see, I use Facebook, Bing Ads, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook group, and also Medium. So when you put IG and when you promote that in your Instagram account, and if you get a sale, you will know that your sale comes from Instagram. So you'll generate your link over here and you will put your link in here. You see, this is an example. It's a crypto personal diet. If you want to start a weight lose page on Instagram, this would be an example. So this is a link. When you click this link, it will take you to a website that will promote a certain product that is related to weight loss. So when you buy that product, they will get a commission. That's how this system works. So what we are going to do is, you will create an Instagram account. After you create an Instagram account, you will search for Instagram accounts or Instagram pages that are related to your niche. If you start a weight loss niche page, so you have to search for a weight loss page like this. So the trick is over here. So their latest post has about 12.9k views. So it is a release 3 hours ago. That means 3 hours ago it was released, but it has about 12,000 views. It's huge. So these people that are in 3 hours may be online right now. So you will click on 12,932 views, click on there, and okay, I'm sorry, let's find another one. For example, this one, but you have to find latest posts, not 1 day ago is a long post. You have to find 1 hour ago or something, 30 minutes ago. So you will click on the likes. You see 609 likes, so it will pop up the accounts for you that like this post, so they are very interested, and also they may be online at, at this time. If this says 1 day ago, but you have to choose 1 hour ago or 30 minutes ago posts. So you will follow these people, follow, 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 follow. I recommend to do it manually, because Instagram's algorithm has changed. So if you use both or something like that, they may block you. So you have to do it manually. So when you get started, you have to follow like 20-30 people a day for a week. But after that, you will follow a lot of people, and Instagram does not get suspicious with you. But when you get started, you have to follow small amount of people. So when you follow these people, they will receive a notification that you follow them, so they will follow you back. So you will grow your account super fast. Really, really amazing method. So you have to follow this method. So I have been using this method for a while now, so it's working for me. As you can see, I have generated over $553 within 3 days, but I'm generating a lot of money since then, and it's really, really amazing opportunity. So you have to use it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you want these types of videos, I will release videos that are related to affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So consider subscribing. And if you have any question, if you need any help uh, to grow your accounts, don't forget to comment on the comment section. So peace. I'll see you on the next one.